Today we built a mobile workshop cart to hold my laser and provide a work surface when the laser is not in use. While setting up my laser in one of the previous videos, I found it hard to move the machine around, so I decided to create a simple workshop cart. You could use the same concept for a lot of different tools. We start with lumber from the home center and will not even bother to remove the rounded corners, but just cut them to length on the table saw. Before assembly of the frames, I glue the 3 panels for the shelves and the tabletop together. I'm using panels from the home center, joined one of the edges of the boards and use biscuits to ensure alignment of the panels and then clamp them together. As we will find out later, 2 of the glue-ups are unnecessary. While the glue of the panels is drying, I am going to assemble the frame. The 2 side pieces are assembled using domino joints. If you don't have a Festool domino, I will link to a video with a jig to accomplish the same thing. After the side pieces are fully cured, I am attaching 4 cross pieces. Now the cart is taking shape. Back to the panels, I cut the 2 shelves to their final dimensions. To get the necessary material for the next step, I am rip cutting 1 panel before cross cutting and have the cuts for the second panel in reverse order. The shelves get a cut out at each corner. With the offcuts, I can double up the tabletop so that it looks a little bit more solid and is still lightweight and easy to remove. Instead of measuring, it's sometimes easier to use the actual piece as a reference. Spacing the additional pieces with a few playing cards, I glue them down with a lot of clamps. With these additional pieces, the tabletop could still warp. To avoid warping, but still allow for wood movement, I am drilling oversized holes in 2 pieces of wood. These pieces are again spaced with playing cards and screwed to the tabletop. Only the middle screw is fixed, all the other screws are attached with washers so that the wood can move. To trim off the excess wood from the tabletop, I clamp 2 straight pieces to the side that help me to reference off this side against the table saw fence. The tabletop gets a quick round over with the palm router. With all the assembly done, what follows is sanding, a lot of sanding. The finish is a simple hard oil finish that I apply very liberally. While the wood soaks up the oil, I am spreading it several times so that at the end I only have to remove a little oil with a rag. The frame will be stained black and also gets a coat of oil. Lastly, I am attaching a few wheels. When I wanted to put the shelves in place, I realized that they are too large for the opening, so I cut them in half and screwed the 2 halves to the cart. With that, the mobile bench is completed. It's a great way to house the laser, but can also act as a work surface when the laser is not in use. If you plan to get a laser yourself, also check out my setup video. Also, have a look at my other videos, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you want to have a look at future projects.